Chris with GreenSphere, and today I'm discussing late fall aeration. So aeration has a number of benefits for your soil and for your lawn. Soil gets compacted over time from a number of causes. Drought's a huge one. Think of like a ball of clay. When it dries out, gets hard, you're not going to get any moisture or nutrients or any penetration into that ball of clay. That's what happens when we have a drought season. The other factors that cause compaction are things like snow load, pets, kids, any kind of foot traffic, irrigation, rain, stuff that's pounding on the soil causes it to compact over time. The issue with that is as the soil compacts, the roots can't spread as easily, and your water is going to tend to run off, and nutrients like fertilizer, any organic matter, or oxygen cannot get down into that root zone where it's needed by the plant. So relieving that compaction through aeration allows your water, nutrients, and oxygen to get down into that root zone, allow those roots to spread. The more your roots can spread, the stronger your root system is, the stronger the top part of your grass is. So if you've missed the aeration and overseed season, which is when we aerate and apply seed to it, which is typically runs from about the last week in August to the first week in October, that's our germination window. You have plenty of time to get good grass germination and get it established before the winter sets in. After about that first week in October, you're losing the germination season. So applying seed at that point can tend to be a waste of money. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Doesn't mean you should miss out on the benefits of the aeration portion though. We can aerate well into the fall, well into November, even when the grass is really slowing down and going dormant, because what we're doing is we're not doing anything to the grass, we're loosening that soil to allow the grass to survive or thrive, by allowing the water, nutrients, and oxygen in. So just because you missed the overseed season doesn't mean you should miss the aeration season. Any questions on whether or not you need aeration, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Any comments, please leave them below. And again, thank you very much for watching.